watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. Today, even as the issue of the breach in the security of the Prime Minister was taken up by the Supreme Court, the finger-pointing between the BJP and the Congress on the matter took a bizarre turn. The ruling Congress decided to go on the offensive and call the allegations of dereliction of duty an affront to Punjab, Punjabis and Punjabiat. In fact, some within the Congress even invoked the caste of the Chief Minister, Charanjit Singh Channi, to allege that the BJP is singling him out to attack only because he belongs to the Dalit community. That being said, the fact still remains that a letter trail along with intelligence notes, all with times now, show that the Punjab police and government were in the know, not just of the threat to the Prime Minister's safety, but also of a possible blockade that could be carried out, and they had been told to look for alternative routes and contingency plans. Now that none of that happened, that definitely there was a problem in the contingency plans that had to be formulated. Why all of this wasn't done is a question that the Punjab police is still at a loss to answer.
पूरे पंजाब को, पूरी पंजाबियत को, सबको बदनाम करना, अरे मेरे खिलाफ साजिश हो गई, अरे मेरे खिलाफ साजिश हो गई, शर्म आनी चाहिए इस तरह की भाषा बोलते हुए। एक एक पंजाबी अपनी जान पर खेल के रक्षा कर सकता है अपने प्रधानमंत्री की, वो किसी पार्टी का हो प्रधानमंत्री, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। बड़ा दुख होता है कि आज इस तरह का विवाद देश का प्रधानमंत्री पैदा कर रहा हो।
ਤੇ ਜੇ ਕੱਲ ਵੀ ਉੱਤਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨਾ ਔਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਤੇ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਮਨਸ਼ਾ ਤਿਲ ਮਾਤਰ ਦਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਚ ਬੰਨੇ ਆ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਢਾਲ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੀ, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹ ਤੌਹਮਤਾਂ ਲਾਣੀਆਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰੋ।
ये चन्नी बेचारा इतने मेहनत कर रहा है चन्नी जी, उनको लेके पूरा दुनिया भर एक दलित सीएम को लेके किस तरीके के इन लोग ने उनका उनके क्या क्या ना बोले, इन लोग ने किस तरीके के बातें की है, शर्म आना चाहिए इन लोगों को।
So if the only issue under scrutiny here is about dereliction of duty and lapses that were allowed to happen in the Prime Minister's security, why is the issue of Punjabi pride being raked up? Is it an effort to try and deflect blame? How is the caste of the Chief Minister even material to the entire argument? Or is this only an attempt to try and use the caste card in order to cash it? Even this lapse for political gains in the upcoming Punjab elections. And finally, is this the counter to a possible feeling that the public sentiment may sway in favor of the Prime Minister given what happened on the 5th of January?
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP, is with us, along with Prince Khullar, spokesperson of the Punjab Lok Congress, Mayur Shekhar Jha, political analyst, and my first question is to Jagmeet Dhillon, advocate and leader of the Congress. Mr. Dhillon, how exactly is this an attack on Punjab and Punjabiyat?
हाँ जी मैम, ये वो कहावत है ना, नाच ना जाने आंगन टेढ़ा, तो वही बात हुई। उस दिन आपकी रैली तो वहां पर बीजेपी की भरी नहीं, कुर्सियां आपने लगा दी 50,000, 700-800 आपकी कुर्सियां भरी, तो आपको कोई बहाना चाहिए था वहां पे ना जाने का, तो आपने बड़ा ही वो अपना प्रोपोगेंडा खेला जो आप पहले भी खेलते थे आए पंजाबियत को बदनाम करने के लिए। पहले आप हमें कभी खालिस्तानियों का नाम देते थे।
कैसे बदनाम हो रही है? ये तो पुलिस के बारे में एक सेकंड किसी ने पहले खालिस्तान बोला नहीं, पंजाबियत पे कैसे ये अटैक हो रहा है? सवाल तो मुख्यमंत्री से पूछा जा रहा है।
पंजाबियत पे यही, जब मोदी साहब
पंजाब की बात किधर आ गई?
थोड़े दिन पहले जब मोदी साहब यूपी गए थे तो तभी उनके कॉन्वो में कुछ लोग आ गए सड़क पे साइड से। हाँ। तो मोदी साहब ने रोका, तभी हाँ। उनको कोई जान का खतरा नहीं लगा। अभी इनको कवर अप करना था, अगर वहां पे जाते मीडिया कवर करता कि यहाँ तो मोदी जी बोल रहे हैं, पहले कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह बोल रहे थे, खाली कुर्सियों को संबोधन कर रहे थे, अभी मोदी जी बोलेंगे तो खाली कुर्सियां होगी, तो नेशनल न्यूज बनेगी, तो उसको कवर अप करने के लिए।
बट इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग दैट ही ब्रिंग्स अप द इशू ऑफ व्हाट हैपेंड इन वाराणसी अर्लियर. Let's pull up that video. In fact, Sanju Verma, when the Prime Minister had gone to inaugurate the Kashi Vishwanath Dham. There was this video where people had come rushing in to greet the Prime Minister. One elderly gentleman had even gifted him a pagdi. Now, this video is being quoted as what would be called a security breach. यूपी में आपने कुछ कहा नहीं, वहां बोला लोगों का प्यार, पंजाब में हुआ तो आप पंजाबियत पे अटैक कर रहे हैं। संजू वर्मा,
इन्होंने हिंदी की कहावत से बात शुरू की तो इनको जवाब दे दूं, हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और। आपके चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं नेशनल सिक्योरिटी को लेकर, एंड लुक एट द ऑडेसिटी ऑफ द मैन। जब उनसे पूछा गया कि ये सिक्योरिटी ब्रीच क्यों हुई, तो ही सेड ये तो कुदरती मामला था। एंड लुक एट नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू, ही सेड प्राइम मिनिस्टर गंद पांदे हैं। अरे गंद प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं, गंद पड़ी गंदी राजनीति पांदी है। यू आर playing dirty politics on this issue. If you compare the Varanasi video with the video on Bhatinda flyover, anyone with an iota of common sense, anyone who's not blind can see that what happened on Bhatinda flyover was not a security breach, Padmaja. It was not a security lapse, Padmaja. It was a sabotage. It was a criminal conspiracy to bring to harm the Prime Minister of the country, and I will go so far as saying, I don't care if the Congressies out there call me a dramebaz. I will go so far as saying the Prime Minister's convoy, like Manish Tiwari said, was within 30 kilometers, barely 30 kilometers of the Pak artillery range. And if we are still sitting here and dissecting and debating whether this was a security sabotage or not, I feel sorry for those who try to institutionalize something which I call as debasement of Indian politics. What you cannot win by the ballot, you are trying to win by the bullet. And I fail to understand, how is it that each time the sociopath Rahul Gandhi goes to
no, wait, let him quickly respond to that. जगमीत ढिल्लों साहब, ये कहा जा रहा है कि बनारस में 2 मिनट के लिए रुकना और फिरोजपुर में 20 मिनट के लिए रोकना, ट्रक लगा करके अपने फ्लाईओवर के ऊपर, they cannot be called the same thing.
हाँ जी मैम, वो पहली बात तो वो सामने ट्रक नहीं लगा था, वो बस थी। और वो बस किन की थी? वो बीजेपी के नेताओं की बस थी, जो वो उधर से कॉन्वो लेकर आ रहे थे। वो भी 1 किलोमीटर आगे थी। कोई भी उनके पास कोई भी आदमी उनकी गाड़ी के पास आया?
एक सेकंड, आज सुबह का वो हाई रेजोल्यूशन वीडियो दिखाते हैं। सर एक सेकंड,
वीडियो वो
कम से कम 2 बसें थी वहां पे और वो बीजेपी के नेताओं की हैं, कैसे पता है आपको?
वो आप वीडियो में झंडे देखिए,
किसान संगठन के झंडे लेके लोग खड़े हुए हैं।
नहीं,
आज सुबह का वीडियो दिखाइए।
बीजेपी के झंडे लेकर लोग खड़े हुए थे, आप चाहे देख लीजिए वो वीडियो दोबारा से।
को किसान संगठन के झंडे दिखेंगे, बीजेपी वाले झंडे नहीं दिखेंगे।
बीजेपी वाले झंडे दिखे हैं
आपको, वो भी दिखाएंगे मयूर शेखर झा, वो भी दिखाएंगे आपको, सारे झंडे दिखाएंगे, कोई झंडा छुपा नहीं रहेगा, उस पर सवाल भी पूछेंगे। बट आप सारे झंडे जो है किसान संगठन से हट करके बीजेपी के झंडे हो गए। एक सेकंड, बट सिंस वी आर बिफोर हम टॉपिक से इधर उधर हो जाए, आपने अभी भी आपने एक बेसिक सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया मयूर शेखर झा। हाउ इज दिस एन अटैक ऑन पंजाब? हाउ इज दिस एन अटैक ऑन पंजाब? सो यू आर सेइंग I'm going to ask you a simple question.
Padmaja, if at all there is a security lapse, my pointed question to the people in power is that why has the SPG's chief not been sacked as of yet?
That is not the question, sir. I am asking you about the political posturing that you're doing. See, the point is that now there is going to be a Supreme Court hearing. There is going to be a Supreme Court hearing. You and I cannot decide where the lapse happened. I am asking you because you are a representative of a political party. I have a very specific political question to ask you. Give me 10 seconds. Sir, give me 10 seconds to ask the question. Otherwise, we'll go all over the place. Through the day, let me just a second. Let me
you have called me for a debate. Let me respond to you.
Let me quote. Okay.
Let me respond to you, Padmaja. I have a first-hand exposure of handling SPG. I'm not sure if Sanju ji has handled one of the Prime Minister's political
Sir, we are not here to debate the SPG security and the lapses therein. Give me 10 seconds. Okay, I have to reduce everyone's volume. No. Because we are going to repeat ourselves and go in circles. Everyone's audio down. Mayur Shekhar Jha, I have a simple question to you. Today morning, the Congress party said, and I will quote to you leaders of your party. The Congress official handle says, Congress government gave importance to PM security. BJP is conspiring to insult Punjab, Punjabiyat and the CM. Then another leader said, to hide his failures, Modi and his cronies are defaming Punjab and its people. Mr. Pawan Khera said, failures took place in Varanasi and Noida, no allegations against UP Chief Minister. Navjot Singh Sidhu says, false assassination allegations are an attempt to defame Punjabis. I want to ask you, who has asked question of Punjabis? Questions are being asked of the Chief Minister of Punjab and the DGP of Punjab. Who is defaming Punjabis? Mayur Shekhar Jha.
Role that the DGP of Punjab has to perform. The core responsibility of the security of the Prime Minister, the core responsibility of ensuring that the route is sanitized, the core responsibility of giving at least a 1 kilometer headway to the Prime Minister's route.
Sir, we have debated this ad nauseum. And now this is going to be decided by an investigation committee. My question to you as a political representative is about the political stance you have taken. As a common voter of this country, I am very curious to know, how are you claiming an attack on Punjabis? How is this an attack on Punjabis, Punjabiyat and Punjab?
I am telling you, the failure is of SPG and you are questioning
No,
the
Padma,
credibility
I
of
need
my
to
Dalit
respond
Chief
now.
Minister.
He's been saying the
You are
same
questioning the
thing
credibility of the only
He's been
Dalit Chief
saying
Minister
the
of the
same
country
thing
for a
over
failure that is
and
clearly
over and
of the
over
special
and over
protection
again.
of the Prime Minister.
Without making
The SPG
any-
claims
So just out of curiosity, if you are saying that this is an insult to Dalits, Mayur Shekhar Jha, hold on a second. It's interesting that in addition to Punjabiyat, you have also brought in the only Dalit Chief Minister. So,
This is not fair. You know, you gave him.
दलित मुख्यमंत्री के सर पे क्यों भांडा फोड़ रहे हो? दलित मुख्यमंत्री के सर पे आप क्यों भांडा फोड़ रहे हो ऑफ एसपीजी's फेलियर? संजू वर्मा, वैसे ठीकरा फोड़ना होता है, क्यों उस पर ठीकरा फोड़ रहे हो आप ऑफ द एसपीजी's फेलियर?
You will have to ask man to statistical right. He had a free run for 4 minutes.
Okay, go on. Sanju Verma.
Okay.
Although it's also slightly sad that every time he should be referred to as a Dalit Chief Minister, but anyway, go on, Sanju Verma.
Yes. Padmaja, first and foremost, there is a blue book which gives out details of the core responsibility of SPG, and the section 14 of the blue book clearly says that SPG is responsible only for the proximate security of the Prime Minister, which means for the immediate cordon surrounding the Prime Minister. The SPG only works as a force multiplier. But to sanitize the area through
Okay.
which the Prime Minister's convoy has to pass is the responsibility of the Punjab DGP, who works in close coordination with
You know,
Chief
again, I
Minister
want to
Channi.
steer the debate back. We have debated the responsibility of the
Channi
SPG versus the Punjab police ad nauseum. The debate today is that you are insulting a Dalit Chief Minister. The Congress has turned this around to say you are anti-Dalit. Dalit Virodhi BJP is what they've said.
You did not allow me to complete, Padmaja. I'll finish that in 30 seconds. Padmaja, the
Yes.
people today...
Coming to you, please, Mayur Shekhar Jha, please, we cannot have incessant shouting over each other. I'm requesting you. I'll have to mute you for a minute. Let her finish her point. I'll come back to you. Yes.
Padmaja,
Okay, Sanju Verma, finish your point.
Thank you, Padmaja. Congress party today has the audacity to give a bhashan to the BJP on Dalit rights. This is the same Congress which debarred, did not allow Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar into the Lok Sabha both in 1952 and 1954. This is the same Congress party who has forgotten Defense Minister who happened to be a Dalit, Babu Jagjeevan Ram. This is the same Congress where Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, on the floor of the Assembly said that Dalit women are actually making stories that they are being raped. They are actually loose women who first ensnare men and then accuse them of rape. This is the Congress culture. I'll finish by saying one thing. First it was about Punjabiyat. Now it is about being a Dalit. But why is it that nobody is asking Charanjit Singh Channi, you did not go to receive the PM saying, "Arey, COVID ke saath mere koi officer they were affected, so I did not want to bring the Prime Minister to harm." How were you addressing a press conference within a few hours without wearing a mask?
Okay, so just let's address it one by one. Mayur Shekhar Jha, the entire invoking of the CM's caste is an elaborate ruse. It's elaborate and it's pointless.
Padmaja, I am asking you a very basic
Basically,
question.
it's political.
If it is elaborate, Sanju, it's a very basic question. Then why is the failure of the SPG being given on the head of the Chief Minister of Punjab? Padmaja, the whole idea of creation of SPG. Padmaja, listen to me.
Demented? The job of sanitizing the Prime Minister's route is
It is a 1 kilometer lead. संजू, आपको बेसिक नहीं पता है एसपीजी की। मैंने एसपीजी के साथ बहुत क्लोजली काम किया हुआ है। 1 किलोमीटर का रूट होता है। स्टेट पुलिस की औकात नहीं होती एसपीजी के सामने। सुनो मेरी बात, स्टेट पुलिस की वैल्यू नहीं होती एसपीजी के सामने। एसपीजी टेक्स फुल चार्ज। द रोल ऑफ द लोकल पुलिस इज वेरी पेरिफेरल। 1 किलोमीटर का लीड होता है। अगर 1 किलोमीटर के लीड में कोई बता नहीं सकता है,
don't you find it farcical? I'm sorry, Mayur Shekhar Jha, please, you can debate about who is responsible for the lapse, but why do you keep saying again and again, Dalit CM के माथे पे ठीकरा फोड़ रहे हैं, Dalit CM, this is, you're just spinning it for
Yogi Adityanath.
Really? So then why is the DGP being attacked? Is he also Dalit? Are you going to invoke the DGP's caste also? Are you going to invoke the caste of the SSP Firozpur?
Because UP is ruled by a Rajput, and there, when a security protocol is breached, you don't raise an eyebrow. You raise an eyebrow.
So let me ask you this very clearly. Mayur Shekhar Jha, since we keep, now, this is for once, we have the narrative saying, oh, we should talk about Vikas, we shouldn't talk about caste politics. The moment accountability is sought by the Chief Minister of a state, it all boils down to, अरे वो तो दलित है, नहीं साहब, वो Chief Minister है, वो मुख्यमंत्री है. He'll be held accountable irrespective of his caste. And let me ask you this very simply. Okay, just a second. Let me ask you this very simply. Sir, if this is the level at which we are going to have our political discourse, when your party said, चौकीदार चोर है, for Narendra Modi is the Congress party anti-OBC. If you're going to discuss everyone's caste, when you call the Prime Minister chor, were you calling all OBCs chor? Answer this.
Prime Minister, Padmaja, it is not the Prime Minister, it is the Chowkidar. Who is the Chowkidar here?
Did you call all OBCs chor when you said Chowkidar chor hai for Narendra Modi who's an OBC? Are you calling all OBCs chor? I am using your logic, sir.
The problem here, Padmaja, it is a failure of the SPG, which is now unnecessarily the Chief Minister of Punjab is being dragged into this controversy. You know, Padmaja, SPG was created.
Okay, just a second. Before you answer, Sanju Verma, let me also get in Prince Khullar, who's been waiting very patiently. Prince Khullar, you yourself are from Punjab. अभी जो कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि ये हमला किसी एक आदमी पर नहीं है, ये पूरे पंजाब के ऊपर है, पंजाब के लोगों को बदनाम किया जा रहा है. As a person who's Punjabi yourself, is from a mainstream party in Punjab, do you think that this is BJP versus Punjab now?
देखिए पदमजा जी, बात ये है, पहले तो ये है कि जो पीएम का सिक्योरिटी ब्रीच हुआ उसको किसी के साथ तुलना नहीं कर सकते कि यूपी में क्या हुआ या वो हुआ. दूसरी बात ये है, जो आपने बात की पंजाबियत की, उसमें आप देखिए ये उसी टोल किट का हिस्सा है जो कॉन्स्पिरेसी रची गई है कांग्रेस की तरफ से. जो पहले ये सारा प्लान किया गया रैली को फ्लॉप करने का, पीएम को रोकने का, 12 बार एसपीजी की बात हुई डीजीपी से, क्लियरेंस लोकल पुलिस में देनी होती है, रूल बुक ब्लू बुक में रूल है, ये शायद इनको नहीं पता जो आपके दूसरे प्रवक्ता बैठे हैं कि एसपीजी क्लियरेंस लोकल पुलिस से लेती है, फिर आगे रूट क्लियर होता है तो
नहीं, पर क्या ये मुद्दा अब पंजाब वर्सेस बीजेपी हो गया है? बिकॉज कांग्रेस का साफ कहना है आप सवाल सिर्फ इसलिए उठा रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको पंजाब से नफरत है।
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ये सिर्फ वोटों की खातिर ये पोलराइजेशन ऑफ वोट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि कांग्रेस है ना जो वो अभी अपनी आइडियोलॉजी से भटक चुकी है। अब ये दलित चेहरे का दलित करने पे शुरू कर दिया इन्होंने। दलित मुख्यमंत्री, पहले पंजाबियत, अब दलित मुख्यमंत्री। और मोदी गो बैक जो ट्रोल किया गया वो आरजी ऑफिस से ट्रोल किया गया उस दिन।
बोला जा रहा है
जो हेट ट्रोल किया गया वो आरजी ऑफिस ने करवाया। इनके पास अब कोई जवाब नहीं है और इसलिए ये वोटों के मुद्दों के लिए, पोलराइजेशन ऑफ वोट के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी ये कर रही है।
इसलिए आप पंजाबियत
को बदनाम तो कांग्रेस ने किया।
नहीं, मैं बताता
जो लोग पंजाब के माने जाते हैं अपनी हॉस्पिटैलिटी के लिए, आओ भगत के लिए, उनको कांग्रेस ने बदनाम किया अपनी होशी राजनीति के लिए।
कोई आतंकवादी बस रहे हैं
कश्मीर की पोलराइजेशन के लिए इन्होंने
की तरफ पर कश्मीर के साथ कंपेयर
जगमीत ढिल्लो।
मैम मैं आपको बताता हूं कि आपने ये कहा कि पंजाबियत को कैसे बदनाम करते हैं। बीजेपी की लीडर कहते हैं कि राष्ट्रपति राज लगाओ, कि पंजाब में कोई भी माहौल नहीं है। क्या पंजाब में आतंकवादी बसते हैं? राष्ट्रपति राज क्यों राष्ट्रपति राज लगाएं जब बहुमत की सरकार है? किसी ने छुआ तक नहीं। यूपी में लखीमपुर में जब किसानों को मारा गया वहां पे राष्ट्रपति राज लगाना चाहिए था। क्यों यहाँ पे आप कहते हो आप कहते हो राष्ट्रपति? कैसे आपसे पच नहीं रही कि हम पंजाबियों ने 3 बिल रद्द करवा दिए, हमारे किसान भाइयों ने संघर्ष करके मोदी को मुंह की खानी पड़ी, बीजेपी को मुंह की खानी पड़ी, आपसे वो बात पच नहीं रही।
So it is being said कि this is in continuation of what was said about farmers. Now the same thing is being said about Punjabi people. संजू वर्मा।
I will speak now if I am not interrupted.
हाँ भाई, हो गया ढिल्लो साहब, अब उनको भी बोलने दीजिए।
पहली बात तो ये, यदि दलितों की इतनी चिंता है, राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका वाड्रा को हिम्मत है ना, तो मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जो एक दलित है उनको कांग्रेस का अध्यक्ष बना के दिखाओ। यदि इतनी फिक्र है ना दलितों की, तो आपके जो बाकी पीएल पुनिया जैसे बड़े लीडर हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के, उनको जनरल सेक्रेटरी बनाओ उत्तर प्रदेश और मुख्यमंत्री कैंडिडेट घोषित करो। जो आपके उदित राज है ना दलित के, जो आयाराम दयाराम पॉलिटिक्स खेलते हैं, उनको कांग्रेस में सीनियर पोजीशन दो। और आपके चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी कहाँ के दलित हैं? वो कन्वर्टेड क्रिश्चियन है या नहीं? पहले ये बात का जवाब दो। इज चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी अ कन्वर्टेड क्रिश्चियन और नॉट? Why is he trying to hoodwink the people by saying he's a Dalit? मैं कहती हूँ ये दलित है ही नहीं, ये एक कन्वर्टेड क्रिश्चियन है, ऐसा बहुत लोगों का मानना है पंजाब में। पंजाब के पत्रकार कहते हैं ये दलित होने का ढोंग करते हैं। And now the last point, I want to say one thing. This is about the attitude of the Congress party. When 26/11 happened, Vilas Rao Deshmukh said, बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी घटनाएं हो जाती हैं। When before the लोकसभा 2019 election, Sam Pitroda was asked, what about the 26/11 attack? He said, अरे जो हुआ तो हुआ। Look at Digvijay Singh, ये 26/11 RSS की साजिश है। Look at Sushil Kumar Shinde, he said,
what's the connection?
यदि बीजेपी 2019 में वापस आ गई, सैफरन टेरर वापस आ जाएगा। So Congress has not been able to defeat Narendra Modi electorally. आपको सांप सूंघ गया है। 2014 में भी हार नसीब हुई, 2019 में भी हार नसीब हुई, 2022 में भी हार नसीब होगी, 2024 में भी हार नसीब होगी। इसीलिए दलित का विक्टिम का
मयूर शेखर झा, when you make it about any one community or a state or people of a state,
Padmaja, I am taking a strong exception. It is not a topic of discussion, and I am taking a strong exception, and I dare Sanju Verma ji to prove what she is attributing Vilas Rao Deshmukh ji to or Sam Pitroda ji to. This is a blatant lie. This is a stupid WhatsApp propaganda she's trying to peddle on your primetime television. Vilas Rao Deshmukh was the Chief Minister of Maharashtra when that unfortunate incident happened. He was standing shoulder to shoulder with the national security infrastructure of the country at that point of time.
Okay, we will not go off track on this. Can I please steer everyone back to the debate? Mayur Shekhar Jha, my question to you is, when you say this is about attacking the honor of a people, with specific to this particular episode, let me quote to you what your ex-party president in Punjab, Sunil Jakhar, has said. What has happened today is not acceptable. It is against Punjabiyat. A secure passage for the Prime Minister of India to address BJP's political rally in Firozpur should have been ensured. In fact, your ex-party president has said that what Mr. Channi has done is against Punjabiyat. Now, are you saying Sunil Jakhar is anti-Punjab? Mayur Shekhar Jha?
In a sense, we are all saying that the security of Prime Minister cannot be a matter of politics. The ones who are
No. Answer on the issue of Punjabiyat. No, you said BJP is attacking a Dalit CM and attacking Punjabiyat. Is Sunil Jakhar anti-Punjab? Is your party ex-president anti-Punjab?
If at all, but listen to me. If at all there is a security lab, the first head that needs to roll is that of the SPG chief. Why is it so difficult? If the Prime Minister of this country, if the administration thinks that there is a security lab because
okay, we will see which heads have to roll. We will see which heads have to roll. In the meantime, though, are we going to now come down to parochial politics and caste politics of this kind over what essentially remains an issue of security? And if we are really talking about Dalits and the benefit of Dalits and the welfare of Dalits, let me end this by actually quoting to you from a report. When we're talking about scholarships to scheduled caste students across the country, do you know that of the 2.24 lakh Dalit students in Punjab, how many were given this scholarship? Zero. That's as far as Dalit welfare and Punjab is concerned. Just one small statistic to chew on. Thanks very much all gentlemen and Sanju Verma for having joined me on Debate One.